Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. As you know, today we are going to see how we can rotate a line from its center. Let us check out first what we have done so far in our last lecture. In last lecture we rotate a line from its origin. Here you can see it is rotating just like an analog clock, right? So let us jump into our today's code. So for rotating a line from its center, we just want here x to be 250. I am first defining a center point for our line, and y is equal to also 150, right? So this will our center point of our line, right? And as you know, we want an angle if we want to rotate any object, right? And we will also use a for loop, and I is equal to 0 and I will be less than equal to 360 because I want to rotate it in a circle. And then in our for loop, as usual, first we will clear our device, then we will increase our angle with every iteration of the loop, and then as we did in our previous video, we will declare our angle here theta and convert it to double, and converting the angle and using the built-in function, math function of mathpy, and dividing it by 180 to get our angle in radian, right? So here we have defined only our center point. We will rotate our line around this center point, right? So for x1, what we will do, first we will convert it to int, and then as you know the formula for x is equal to x sine theta, right? So x minus y into sine theta. This is because we want to rotate a half portion of the line, because we want to rotate a line from center. That's why x1 will be its half portion, and then int y1 will be int x plus y into cos of theta. Similarly, x2 will be int x plus y into sine theta, and int y2 will be int x minus y into cos theta. It will be hard for you if you don't know the geometry, right? And you must have a basic knowledge of math and geometry for rotating the shapes, right? So x2 and y2. So this will be our line, and I want to give it some delay, and delay will be 10 milliseconds. That's it. This was the whole code. Now let me compile and run it so we can see our line rotating from its center. So here it is our line. As you can see, it was rotating from its center, this point. Right, let me run it again, because we have give it only 360, that's why it is rotating only one time, right? So if you want to rotate it continuously, then you can make it infinite loop. Let me make it some more time, so it will rotate 10 times now. So here it is, as you can see, and now it will rotate 10 times. So this line is rotating from its center, and in last lecture we were rotating our line from its origin. So this was for today's video. In next video we will try to rotate a rectangle, right? Rectangle from its center point. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and I will appreciate you if you comment me for anything you want me to do for you. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.